Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị ekenekwa m n'ụbọchị nke tata biko na enwere okwu dị oke mkpa anyị ka bịa tinye ọnụ na ya. O nwere onye ahụ na-afụ na screen ebe onye bụ afịa bụ Mr. Stanley Atinga. Mr. Stanley Atinga bụkwa na gịnị chairman Idemmili North Local Government. Enwere video me yesterday asị m na most of us should go and dig deep. Mmalụ onye bụ your local government chairman. Kedu onye bụ your local government chairman? Kedu onye na-represent you when it comes to your local government before you start going into councillors, representative, ndị PG, igwe. Ka ibido godu new small wee na amata this is ka onye bụ your local government chairman. Kedu mgbe etiri ya empower? Onye na ebe a kịta bụ gịnị Idemmili North local government chairman because mụ abụ onye gịnị Idemmili North. That is when you make bini where by research we make a malakene kedonye di ha. But before I dive through it very well because on well video also iafuna eba video no abogene video ndo agone chamber one of ndị na-agụ chamber gbagbu one woman na nnewi gini na ese asina anakata ndị agbawa ndị anụnwa dị bụ no ndị ka ihe na-akpọ ha ndị agbu rascals agboro. Government may employ. You will not really blame the government because again, onya senya me mmadụ employ. How are they going? How are they verifying the people haniti na gene haniti ebe that will serve the public? Epete gada lenda agboro oju. Onya agboro ibizile egbe onwo na gwogwo onwo na nkwụ nwuricha isi nwa kolos. And so of reform the security agencies of Anambra State, they are recruiting more out into the security agencies. They can mother now weapon mother from custom, for example, where they are teeny messas. Okabu fi ha. The young man we one woman and newe. I can be aketa no. These people put a hand harassing gun. Now, anyhow, they don't even care about the life of people. They don't care as long as when the investigation was carried out, Omoro ID card number 1 and number 2 also no can be the lawful. Only can be the lawful. Kedonye selecting the operation now. Be the lawful. No training, no adequate maintenance, no adequate verification. Unobule will be mother. Obatana Street release yebwe. One woman, we making but that is where I am driving at now. That is beginning. Ebe na drive at now. Before nje ebe local government chairman na ebe chair. Eme video nchoko no just paying attention this video and this video.
What happened has happened and it's there written. You can't come and be through social media. But that's one terrorist organization, social media. Social media is a terrorist organization. What they do, put somebody in his comfort room and formulate stories, and you will see that is true. So, social media is a terrorist organization that we must deal with. Security agencies must deal with this terrorist organization called social media. So we're not happy with what's been happening either on the plateau or other places.
Ihe a bụ onye na-akpọ afia bụ Alhaji Muhammadu Sa'ad Abubakar III. He is the Sultan of Sokoto. The Sultan of Sokoto. Ojo dịka Emir, onye bụ Emir of Sokoto. Onye nwekwa Emir of Kano. Onye bụ Sultan of Sokoto. Onye bụ dịka igwe no in charge of Sokoto. Na-apụta sị gị na Obi of Onitsha. Yes, onye aka onye ahụ nọkwa. Onye anụnwa kwulu okwu adịkịta nọ. Unu just nene video ya. If somebody like this can come out publicly or condemn her Fulani herdsmen killing, he on our life and them mother, they unalive people anyhow in our society, in our bushes, or condemn her, you are after social media, na social media no social media terrorist organization. How are we going to survive? How are we going to live in a reckless society like this? I think again, you living in Nigeria, I've come to realize that living in Nigeria now, Bogini is a total definition of if the Lord does not guide over a city, if the Lord does not watch over a city, in vain is the watchman doing. as long as need ndo na Nigeria na-eje na-abata, your greatest prayer bụ gịnị? Thanksgiving. Give God thanks maka na ije go bata. With us all said and done, Mr. Chairman, ka m bata na your lane now. Mr. Chairman, Mr. Stanley Atenga, that is what they call you. So by the time when me investigation about you, say come okay, come carry out, come make onye bụ our chairman of Idemmili North local government. It baffles me that no nwere much there about you. Mgbe mba na Instagram, say ka nchọ gidi nweta afa gị na Instagram. Ihe na-aza na Instagram bụ Nwoko. Ihe na-aza na Instagram bụ Goodman. Mr. Goodman ke na-aza na Instagram. Goodman.2021. Ihe na-aza na Instagram. You nwere 200 followers and you are following 100 people. You nwere 200 followers and you are following 100 people. By the time unji we gbada ka mfukene mmadụ oni na-follow. Ndị ba unu na afia. Ihe onaghị follow, inara follow. Ihe dia. Ndị ikwesịrị na afụ news that is happening na Anambra State, because na ihe nọ n'ime akịta bụ na era of gịnị of communication of social media. The way ihe si eme kita, most of the news, 90% of the news of ihe na-eme kita bụ social media ke ya afia. It is your duty as a chairman so you can how are we going to do that? Because the reason you be telling this cry to your table is that now, Mr. Chairman, I have gone through social media. I've not seen it because now you've barely spent 100 days in office, 100 days or more. Kino go in office because we are elected September last year. Yeah, the video of your election on the 29th of September 2024. Announce of your election. Mr. Chairman, what is the next step I make? I prevent this unnecessary obubu anu ebu mandi udo gachi na ebu no mandi ndị Fulani herdsmen na ebu na our bushes. Because na ya manchefu udu aka anyị na-eche until ihe abịa mee. Because I na-asị n'Igbo anara agba also mmiri until mmiri ebido libe ha. Mr. Chairman, I'm asking you this thing because now I've gone through your social media and it pains me so much that now you couldn't even wish the Anambra Idemmili South, Idemmili North people a happy new year. You could even wish them a happy new year. The last time you posted on your page was last year. Then what is your means of communication? The last time you posted was July 2nd, who can afford it in July 2nd, the key post to. Where is your means of communication to the people? Like for example, now July 5th, sorry, actually reach out to you now as chairman. Keka is reach out to you, and where are you going to respond more? Because you come na your Facebook, so hindi follow na Facebook for the love of Anambra. Your Instagram, you not follow anything that has to do with Anambra State, more Soludo. So you follow na Instagram, but Soludo TV, which is the media communication that has to do with Soludo, and that one they post frequently. That one again only post frequently. So, Mr. Chairman, now, for example, now, I don't know until the Fulani bido baba our bushes, our imoya. Ni bido peak we mother, ni bunde mother before we were able to do something, or before we could be able to do something. Now, what are the measures? I was expecting when my be na your profile or na your any of your Instagram handle or your Facebook page. Can fokene ebi na commission project, ebi no in the midst of governorship, ebi with the ideas for security purpose of the people of Anambra State, because now we the youth of Anambra State, especially Nigerians, we don't ask for much. What we require from you guys now in security, light, good road. These three things, once they are met, we don't ask for much. You know what? Because now I made this research check here. I follow anything. I say na chairman ukukwa or na chairman melenka or na photo chairman ebe na this village na photo chairman ebe obia na this school check here ka na school or kwa mma na photo local government chairman ebe obia na ka makwa na uza no na aga. not even a post to send Anambra State Happy New Year for 2025. You did not do that. So when I just, Mr. Chairman, oh, where can I see you because this page in for now, I don't want to believe no page again. My mobile come more page again is very, very unprofessional. I want to use the word very, very unprofessional. At least let there be activities going on. A chairman representing a whole Idemili North local government. So that the youth will make a way to reach out to people, because somebody like me, I can't reach out to Soludo direct. I be going small, so okay, onya local government chairman, ngwa jena local government unu, je me head otua. Okay, I jinka jena nke government na government house, ke we me head otua. Because I na agbunu zoba 1, zoba 2 before I go 3 to 20 now. Let us come to an average, in a place of communication to the people. Get in on a seat for more than 100 days. What are the things that you have done so far for the people of Idemili North local government? Because by the time we get deep again, enweli ihe ndị mmadụ post to, enweli ihe one blog post to, a cry to you about a road ana akwado megin aka na akwado elu alu na again ntiko nekwa na anya ka unu wefu unu solu wefu this news anwa, because na ona aga adioke mkpa ngwa ka ego ya ase na gini me. The Unity Landlord Association of Guinea, Umuisi Ome of Mpo, Anambra State, has cried out to the Idemili North Local Government Chairman, Mr. Stanley Nkwoka, for help regarding the duplicated Udu Truck Road, which is an important artery that link Mpo to the neighboring towns. Then you go about that one na fear na kokebe. You go about that or say again that now these people have made this cry. However, I say owing to the duplicable road state of the road, which makes it not motorable, residents of the area parked their vehicle outside their residential areas and trekked to their houses. I said, now this news, these people wrote this thing up to you, from this blog to you on the 8th of April 2025. So unu golo na agbaratazi unafuna this road ilie na ndị mmadụ gini nni na arụ. Na ndị ose at the end of the night, ose our effort at doing palliative work on the road has not made it passable. This is why we are calling on government to repair the road for us. The road is an important artery that helps in the facilitation of the carrying out of commercial activities in the state. And in his own reaction, the patron of the Landlord Association, Mr. Innocent, urged Mr. Nkwoka to convey this plea for help to Governor Soludo, who is deserving of third term in office based on his approach to leadership matters. So because somebody like me, I cannot go and talk to Soludo. Mr. Chairman, oboroze until in the Fulani abataba na our imo here, what we went the buy, what we went the Idemili North, what we went the Mpo, what we went the Ziowele, what we went the Abatete, what we went the Abacha, and other neighboring communities in Odia. Or Binyawa Bonagini, I made arrangement for it. What are the measures which people are putting in place to first of all reform the security operatives of Anambra State as a whole, especially the people of Idemili South? Then what are the measures being put in place for the schools? I wish I'm around so that I will also go around and see most of the schools to bring it to your table so that can bring earlier to Soludo. See, and most of these schools, these government schools, are not functioning very well. I bring it to your table. Most of these routes are not motorable. People are doing most of the jobs in the government to Koselelo. Because Mr. Chairman, we are calling on you, at least on Amfugo News about these people for Uzano Aneku. At least, hey, Megia Opotana Internet, did you even reply to them? Did you even reach out to them? Did you in a way communicate to them? Because now by the time I go gula much thing about you, much thing or about your activities towards the people of Anambra State and on social media. At least you chokwa contest for another election so that let your work speaks for you. Let your work speaks for you. Ona kita na ekwika Soludo second term. And these people are even urging him for third term. These people are even urging him for third term. So Mr. Chairman, kede nke ha na-eme? Kede nke emegole eme? Kede ebe akwụsị? Oye nsi ka mebe ajụ. Because I'm a video yesterday calling out saying assistance now nobody, most of the people needing on social media, especially the youths, and what on their local government chairman, and what on your having local government hanwe. You know born at the after now na beha. So Mr. Chairman Unkwaka, Mr. Stanley, do biko. If you are coming across this video and I urge everybody to share it, biko no. There lie kimale by male where to reach you. If open this one some bring out of your social media handle, please try as much as you can to be updating there. Obokwane ya social media manager, people are there are willing to assist in making sure that all these things galaga, so that now your profile data all the unkenanya. So that abatago choi click amara kwa onya umuazi anachi igwo onya comment na post adi otu abukwa again local government chairman of a place like Idemili North of Anambra State. So that onye chokodi ku makwa yes na onye dotu local government chairman na follow ku ya, local government chairman na foka post ya, local government chairman na so stop stop commenting as an ordinary layman. Ibata zina no social media no look at say na inoro walne no kwadia. Walne no kwadia. Like this plea now I'm still talking about it. Please and please. I am anchebe until ihe na-eme na Benue State emewe na Anambra State Idemili North. I am anche until ihe na-eme na Enugu State in all these villages like Nsukka and other places ebido mewe. I am anche kwani ki ihe na-eme n'ime most of the villages na Ebonyi State until he mewe na Idemili South before we begin to put measures. Okamma ka ewela efife kita achọgbu ewu ojii ya na nwa kita atụpụchi eji. Okamma ka ebido n'oge. You are the chairman representing Idemili North local government as a whole. So please and please, Mr. Chairman, may ki ha megini ka ọ dị lie nke. Oburu until as it stands now, you as a chairman, you had happy ka una na make invite mgbalu. Ye kwesịrị na eme invite bụ no commissioner of road bịa mepe school nka bịa mepe transformer nka bịa mepe ebe celebration dey do too. At least ngwu akwu na aga na the road, you be feeling happy. You be feeling happy. You dey happy na aga na the road na amakwa gini na a lot of things na begin me na ogwa bụ chairman and they made it is a chairman and because you've worked tirelessly for it. Is the election abro 1 naira. Only you have the vision of becoming an Anambra State governor, because when you're a chairman in 10 years, 8 years, 16 years to come now, you will get for governorship of Anambra State, or week after Soludo na epota. At least I know you could go on a potangua, kedu you home bugame, about you do to a free about social media, gafunka, a phone when I chairman, a phone kedo to because even if you don't have the strength to call somebody in Elegaka, we live in an era of things are advancing. And this issue of security and Anambra reforming of both their vigilante of Nkabiko Tebulare the governor Dioku. Tebulo governor Dioku. Or Unamaluku you see made the meeting, Unumecha the meeting, put into Tebulolia governor. Say governor, these people eat equal no kwa ne buzikwanda as a habi achekwa. Because the mama's in Kebunke. Vigilante na ana boys ego na street, udogachi na ana ego na street, police na ana ego na street. Ihe ọbụna niile bu egbe na bu forces na Anambra State and Nigeria as a whole na attacks ndị mmadụ. Biko, if the people, the powers that are be na operate godo ndị Igbo, ka enwe ebe anyị na anata as ndị Igbo. Anata as ndị Igbo ko bi nu ayana, because now let us have a place that we can call home, that we can comfortably walk around the road, knowing fully well that again measures have been put in place for the safety of life and properties. Measures have been put in place for again for the life of the common people of Anambra State, you know. at least also chụwa mmadụ n'ụzọ kpọbata ime ụlọ mana this time around ịgbabatakwudo ime ụlọ ahụ sef you are not even safe because onye na-agbafe n'ụzọ nwere ike release ego accidental discharge gbuwe gị n'ụzọ. So biko Mr. Chairman, Osanjes can wait this video because I pray that this video reaches you very well. Call the number. Bye.